Hello students, welcome to another descriptive practice questions series for RBI Grade B 2024. Today, just a moment. Today we'll be taking one more question that is about corporate governance. The question is, what do you understand by corporate governance? What is the significance of effective corporate governance to the society? Briefly describe any four shareholders' rights to be protected by corporate governance framework. This is a question, students. This question has three parts. Firstly, what is corporate governance you have to do? You have to describe, and then what is the significance of effective corporate governance to the society, and then any four shareholders' rights to be protected by corporate governance framework. This is the question, students. To begin with, let's start with the introduction. In the introduction part, you can give the definition of corporate governance. Corporate governance comprehendes the framework of rules, relationships, systems, and processes within and by which fiduciary authority is exercised and controlled in operations. Okay. According to SEBI, corporate governance is the acceptance by management of the inalienable rights of shareholders as the true owners of the corporation and of their own role as trustees on behalf of the shareholders. It is about commitment to values, about ethical business conduct, about making a distinction between personal and corporate funds in the management of a company. Okay, there are many definitions, students. We are taking SEBI definition here. You can take any definitions. You can see here, corporate governance is the acceptance by management of the inalienable rights of the shareholders. This is very important. Rights of shareholders as the true owners of the corporation and their own role as the trustees on behalf of shareholders. It is about commitment to values, about ethical business conduct, and about making distinction between personal and corporate funds in the management of a company. Is it clear, students? This one is introduction part you can give for the corporate governance. Next, we'll see what is the significance of corporate governance to the society. What are the benefits? You can say benefits or significance. Okay, clear? And this corporate governance ensures that efficient use of resources. First point is efficient use of resources, and it makes resources flow to those sectors or entities where there is efficient production of goods and services, and the return is adequate enough to satisfy the demands of stakeholders. Okay. Next, it provides for choosing the best managers to administer scarce resources. It provides for choosing the best managers to administer scarce resources. It helps managers remain focused on improving performance and make sure that they are replaced when they fail to do so. Okay. It pressurizes the organization to comply with rules, regulations, and expectations of society. It assists the supervisor in regulating the entire economic sector without partiality or nepotism. Clear, students? You can give any 8 points. Okay. If it is 15 marks questions, you have to give 8 points. Clear? For 15 marks question. Clear, students? Next, corporate governance leads to higher customer satisfaction. It helps in increasing market share and sales. It also reduces advertisement and promotion costs. It increases shareholders' values, which attracts more investors. Thus, corporate governance ensures easy access to capital. Clear? Lastly, corporate governance reduces the procurement and inventory cost. It helps in maintaining a good rapport with suppliers, which results in better and more economic inventory management system. Okay, you can give any 8 points, students. In general, it doesn't have to be this only, but these are the best points you can give. Clear? Clear, students? Next, we'll see what are the rights of shareholders. Any four rights. They have asked particularly for four shareholders' rights. We'll give four shareholder rights. The shareholders' rights include, first one is method of ownership registration. CDSL, which maintains high standards of safety and efficiency registration in depositors, and unique account number is proof of ownership for the shareholders. Okay. First point is methods of ownership registration. Next, secure methods of ownership registration. Next, convey or transfer shares. Convey or transfer shares. There are no restrictions on the transferability of shares, except in the case where the board may, subject to the right of appeal conferred by Section 111 of the Companies Act, Next, third point, obtain relevant information on the corporation on timely and regular basis. Obtain relevant information on the corporation on timely and regular basis. Most of the financial or non-financial information on the companies is available on their website or other commercial websites free of cost. Apart from this, regular filings with stock exchanges, SEBI and DCA are also available for shareholder scrutiny free of cost or at nominal cost. Clear? Next, fourth point, participate and vote in general shareholders meetings. They have voting rights. Okay. Board of directors are entrusted with the duty of convening annual general meeting and extraordinary general meeting. Clear, students? These are the 4 points. One is secure methods of ownership and registration, convey of transfer shares, obtain relevant information on the corporation on timely and regular basis, participate and vote in general shareholders meetings. In conclusion, because this is a not current affairs question, students, you can give simple conclusion. Corporate governance ensures that organization is efficiently managed by protecting the rights of shareholders and following the ethical business practices. Is it clear, students? You can give, because this is a descriptive question and also it is static type of question, you don't have to give that much of conclusion. Clear? Instead of giving conclusion, you can add more points in shareholders itself. You can give one more shareholders rights or something like that. Okay. Just for information, I have given the conclusion. Corporate governance ensures that the organization is managed effectively by protecting the rights of shareholders and following ethical business practices. Clear, students? That's it for today's question, students. I hope you found it useful and good luck with your preparation. Thank you, students.